Sometimes I refer to Ayya as my heart because the film is that close to me. I think every woman has been fantasizing about their men for years now. People should be saying that, and in their own way I think they say it. तो मुझे मतलब ढिंडोरा पीटने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. I would love to make a sequel on Ayya and Bunty or Bubbly. Hi, I'm Rani Mukherjee and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Did you see Rani Mukherjee in Dreamum Wake Up in Ayya? Did you also think that there were more pelvic hits than Prabhudeva and Michael Jackson put together? Well, that is one of the tweets that I came across while doing the research for Ayya, and we have with us Rani Mukherjee once again. Huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you.
And what do you have to say to this statement that more pelvic hits than Prabhudeva and Michael Jackson put together?
Vaibhavi needs to take the compliment because she's made us dance to her tunes. Right. So I'm definitely going to give her this message once I leave from this interview. So all the credit of all the pelvic thrusts can only go to Vaibhavi Merchant.
Dreamum, wake upum, critical conditionum. Hey, earthum, quake upum, hilodula sab shake upum.
You know, when the first look promo came out, you literally enjoying yourself like big time, in fact. And the way आप बोलती हैं that गाना सुनिए ना, you know, that is coming from within, like you're enjoying yourself, in fact. So this has been a trip for you in a big way.
For me, I think working on Ayya has been really, really special. It's a very sweet film, very sweet love story, and a very unique one in its way because she gets attracted to a man because of his smell, and that's how the love story, you know, progresses, and that's the beginning of the love story. Plus the characters that are part of a family in the movie, her Baba, Ai, Aji, brother, they all are fun characters. So yes, Ayya has been a journey which has been an immense pleasure for me. Sometimes I refer to Ayya as my heart because the film is that close to me. And of course the songs, which in their own unique way, they are very, very special and have been scored by Amit Trivedi, who is one of my most favorite music directors. And of course Vaibhavi, who is my very close friend. And since you started with the interview with talking about her choreography, I would like to say that she's one of India's best choreographers, and she's somebody who I kind of really, really admire because the kind of range she has in her choreography, right from Ayya's Lavani number, which is $1.25 Chadaungi Badle Mein, which has authentic Lavani steps, and from there to go to a Dreamum Wake Upum number, which is a Tollywood inspired song. बिकॉज मीनाक्षी का जो कैरेक्टर है वो एक तमिल लड़के के प्यार में पड़ जाती है और एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर है फिल्म में कॉल पकड़ा पांडी जो मीनाक्षी को तमिल सिखाते हैं और उनको बोलते हैं कि आपको रात को मिडनाइट मसाला देखना चाहिए और वहाँ से आपको इंस्पिरेशन आएगा कि तमिल कैसे सीखना है और वो तमिल चैनल ऑन करती है मिडनाइट मसाला और वहाँ से ड्रीमम वेकअपम को इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है और वहाँ से वो जाती है और जैसे कि आपने कहा पेल्विक थ्रस्ट और जो भी है वो टॉलीवुड से इंस्पायर किए गए स्टेप्स हैं जो हमें इतने सालों से एंटरटेन करते आ रहे हैं और फिर वहाँ से जाता है अगबाई हल्ला मचाए रे जो कि एक गाना है जो इंस्पायर है क्योंकि सचिन का कहना है कि हर फिल्म में हम एक आदमी को ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ डिज़ायर की तरह देखते हैं लेकिन इस फिल्म में उल्टा है एक आदमी को ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ डिज़ायर की तरह देखा गया है और मीनाक्षी का जो कैरेक्टर है वो अपने इस ड्रीम मैन को किस तरह से लस्ट करती है उसको अपने ड्रीम में किस तरह से फैंटेसाइज करती है तो वो गाना उस प्रकार का है और जो लिरिक्स है अगबाई हल्ला मचाए रे इट्स अ गर्ल्स एक्सप्रेशन कि जब वो प्यार में पड़ती है तो जो हल्ला मच रहा है उसके दिल में और उसके जहन में तो वो अगबाई हल्ला मचाए रे इज़ डिपिक्टिंग दैट और वैभवी ने गाना सुन के वो इतनी इंस्पायर हुई कि उन्होंने एक और लेयर ऐड किया बेली डांसिंग का उस गाने में तो वो गाना एक
We haven't seen that.
तो वो भी एक अलग गाना है
Belly dancing, you've done belly dancing as well, okay?
So the three songs I think in their own way are extremely entertaining, they're a lot of fun and in their own unique way there is a difference in all the dance steps because they're uniquely different because every dance form is different. Lavani dance form is different, it's a particular style. Dreamum Wake Upum, which is a Tollywood inspired dance number, raunchy dance number, and of course belly dancing, that again is another dance form. So yes, for this movie we did adapt three different dance forms with the different dance sound, with the different music because every song gives you a different feel. With like Lavani, you'll hear Lavani dhols. and very Maharashtrian centric. Dreamam Vekapam is very South Indian inspired. And of course, Agabai Halla Machare is a mix between Maharashtrian, classical and loungy music. And there's like a trance music going on. So all the three songs very differently composed, and of course with the help of Vaibhavi being so talented, we have three different dance numbers with three very varied dance movements.
You know, what's being said is that you're having 3 item songs. You know, that's the it term these days, in fact. So you're having 3 item songs, and your fans are like desperately waiting for all the remaining, in fact, because they've seen you in No One Killed Jessica. Many of your fans, in fact, I've taken some questions, and you know, you've got a huge number of fans. And I was telling someone that you should become the ambassador of Indonesia, because you know, I've got so many emails from your fans in Indonesia, and they want you to just say hi to them. So if you can say hi to your fans in Indonesia.
Hi to all the Ranians in Indonesia, love you.
That's what they call you, Ranians, in fact.
To get back to that, हमारे फिल्म में जितने गाने हैं वो स्क्रीन प्ले में बहुत अच्छी तरह से इंटरवोवन है. जैसे कि लावनी इज़ एन इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मीनाक्षी देशपांडे. सचिन हमेशा चाहते थे कि मेरी हीरोइन जो महाराष्ट्रन है वो ऑडियंस के सामने पहली बार लावनी में इंट्रोड्यूस होनी चाहिए.
हीरोइन मुझे बना देना, $100 चढ़ाऊंगी आयशा.
फिर ड्रीमम वेकअप जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा कि वो साउथ इंडियन चैनल खोलती है और वो ड्रीम में निकल जाती है, और अगबाई का भी एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है. तो आइटम गाना हमेशा ऐसे होता है कि कहानी रुक जाती है, आइटम गाना होता है और फिर कहानी चलती है. हमारे फिल्म में कहानी और मतलब आगे बढ़ती है, और इस तरह से हमारा जो गाना और स्क्रीन प्ले का जो अमेलगमेशन है बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, क्योंकि जो सिचुएशंस है वो ऑलरेडी आइटमाइज्ड है और उस पर गाने जो आए हैं वो by God's grace I think Amit has given us mind pulsating music as the way I call it, and frankly speaking I think it's one of my best albums of my career. I really love the songs over here.
You know, when we have this concept that a woman maybe lusting after a man, you know, it's a progressive concept in its own way as well.
I think it's a concept that is discussed today. I think every woman has been fantasizing about their men for years now.
Absolutely, absolutely. We have the Kam Sutra and
Right.
All right, I've taken some questions from your fans. I'm having many questions, so I'll just take a few of them. I brought the printout so that you can have it and read maybe all of them. This is by Hassan Khan. I'm Dr. M. Hassan Khan from Karachi, Pakistan. My question to Rani is, why is she doing less movies when she can do many more?
My answer to that is, बहुत सारी फिल्म्स आती है, लेकिन वो कुछ कहानियाँ होती है जो आपके दिल को छू जाए और जिस फिल्म से आप जुड़ना चाहते हो. और मैं हमेशा ये कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं जो भी फिल्म करूँ बहुत ही प्यार से करूँ, प्रेपरेशन करूँ. पहले जब मैं फिल्म्स करती थी, एक दौर रहता है हर इंसान, हर एक्टर के जीवन में, जब वो 7-8 फिल्में करता है, 10 फिल्में करता है, लेकिन वहाँ पे उनकी कंट्रीब्यूशन 10-15 दिन की होती है. जिस तरह की फिल्म्स मैं आज कर रही हूँ उसमें मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन 70-80 या कभी 90 या 100 दिन का होता है in terms of shooting. And in a year of 365 days you can actually not do practically more than 2 films. तो मेरी कोशिश हमेशा से यही रही है कि मैं अगर 2 फिल्में भी करूँ साल में तो वो अच्छी फिल्में हो और मेरे दर्शक तक एक बहुत अच्छी फिल्म आए. इसीलिए मैं कम फिल्में नहीं करती हूँ, मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली मैं काम ही कर रही हूँ. जैसे कि अय्या मेरे पास आई थी लास्ट डे ऑफ शूटिंग ऑफ जेसिका, उसके बाद मैं तलाश की शूटिंग पे बिज़ी हो गई. तलाश ख़त्म होते ही मैंने अय्या पे काम शुरू कर दिया था और फिर अय्या की शूटिंग कर ली थी मैंने. तो एक्चुअली इस 1.5 साल में मैंने 2 फिल्में कंप्लीट करके 2 फिल्म अभी रेडी टू रिलीज़ है.
Absolutely, and that too back to back. You know, Rani, what happens is that you've had a phenomenal body of work. You've done amazing work, and you've had box office success as well as critical acclaim, which is a rarity as well. Many people have this question in mind that many a times we see these days actresses, it's like a zamana of PR and all, you know, like many a times lesser known actresses who are not as talented as well. We keep on hearing all these stories like superstar and this and that. Rani Mukherjee के बारे में generally we don't get to see that. Why is it that don't you feel that कहीं ना कहीं आपके fans जो हैं वो miss out करते हैं?
मेरे फैंस की आंखों में मुझसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट और I would say in my fans' eyes, as we say that love is in the beholder's eyes. So in my fans' eyes, I think they love me the most, and for me that is more important. I think the tag of star, superstar, and all these things are given. with love and respect. So I would feel that rather than me saying that, it should always come from
People should be saying that.
People should be saying that, and in their own way I think they say it. तो मुझे मतलब ढिंडोरा पीटने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है.